So today I'm going to be making chicken Alfredo. So here I got a pot of water and I'm going to put that on the stove. And the heat is on 6. And now here I have some olive oil that I'm going to be putting into the air fryer. You can use any oil, but I'm just using this oil to just help it cook. Okay, here I have 3 chicken breasts. I'm going to be putting some seasoning salt, some of this rub on there, some pink salt, just show you guys be putting it in there. Now I'm just going to mix that all together. Okay, now I'm going to place those chicken breasts into the air fryer. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, the last one. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the air fryer. The heat is on 370. And turning down those minutes to 20. And start. Okay, so now here I'm going to be making my sauce. Putting the heat on 6 on that as well. I can't tell you guys the exact ingredients for my sauce. So here I have some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using in the pan. I'm going to add that in. Can't give away my secret sauce. Adding some of that. And now here I have some thin spaghetti noodles that I'm going to be putting into that boiling water. All of it, the whole box. And I'm just going to let that cook. I also forgot to add some oil to the water when I first put it on the stove, so I'm going to add some oil to it now. Okay, here's the chicken after about 8 minutes in the air fryer. Now I'm going to flip them. I was having a hard time flipping them here. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, for more cooking videos. Okay, now I'm going to be putting those back into the air fryer. I'm going to add a few more minutes. Okay, here's how the Alfredo sauce is looking. It's coming together. Okay, now I'm going to add the seasoning to it to give it some extra flavor. It also added a color to it as well. Now I'm going to take that off the heat, and here's how the noodles are looking. I'm going to turn off the heat for the sauce to thicken up, and I'm adding some water to it to loosen it up. And some extra seasoning. Stirring that together. Okay, here's how it looks all stirred together. Also, I don't have that much sauce because that's all we had. Here's the noodles. Don't forget to subscribe. Here, they're looking done. So here's the chicken in the air fryer. I decided to put them back in there just for a little bit more time. 6 minutes. Okay, here I'm testing to see if the noodles are done. That's the hack that my mom told me. Okay, here I'm going to be straining the noodles, taking all the water out. There I had some more chicken in the sink unthawing. The water was dripping all over the floor. Okay, so here I'm going to add the noodles into the sauce. I'm just going to mix that up. It was pretty hard to mix it with the spoon that I had. Okay, so here's how it looks. Here the chicken is done, so now I'm going to put it onto the cutting board so I can cut it up. Okay, here the chicken is all cut up. Now I'm going to add it into the pot with the noodles and the Alfredo sauce. Okay, here I am mixing it together. Don't forget to subscribe. It could have used a bit more sauce, but here's the final results. Comment down below if you guys make this. Thanks for watching.